Hi, this is Paul Bonuski for the Independent Insurance Agents and Brokers of New York. This weekend there is a pretty severe snowstorm forecast for the Hudson Valley. So I wanted to just take a minute and let folks know that as you prepare for the first winter storm of 2011-2012, IIABNY does have some resources available to you. If you want to share some information with your clients, you can find tips on preparing your home for winter at trustedchoice.com in the consumer articles section. And in the event that this does turn out to be a pretty bad snowstorm, go to www.iabny.org and click on the disaster information tab under the member resources. We'll post some information there about what you can do, how to stay safe. We'll have the numbers for the various different power companies in the area. So if you're in the Hudson Valley this weekend, stay safe, stay warm. If you don't need to go out, stay off the roads. And hopefully we'll see everybody back here on Monday. Thanks.